Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic NanoCAD tutorial how to rename a block. So for example, I will open to palette, press enter, and then in here you can go to flow chart. I will use this block object. Can click and then insert into drawing area. Click OK. Now if you select this block, it will be show the properties. And the names for the block is CTR Monitor 2D. So if you want to change these names, you can type rename, press enter, and then select on the block, and then choose the block object. To rename, you can click here, like I will set into Monitor 2D, new, and click the replace to button. Click OK, and if you select again the block object, it will be automatically renamed into Monitor 2D New. Okay, that's it for basic NanoCAD tutorial, how to rename a block. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.